Hi, Mrs. Novello here in the Expressive Arts room, and I'm showing you how to use Fused to superimpose your line drawing onto your body part for your digital tattoo assignment. All right, so we've created our line drawing and we saved it to our camera roll. You should have taken a picture of yourself or the portion of your body that you want to superimpose a tattoo onto, and now we're ready for Fused. So I'm going to open the Fused app. And I'm going to tap to choose the background. The background is the image of myself or yourself or the body part. So you're going to go to your camera roll and you're going to find that picture. I'm just choosing original and check mark. All right, so now I'm going to choose the foreground. The foreground is going to be the line drawing that we created in Sketchbook X. So I'm going to my camera roll, finding that image. And I'm also going to select original. All right, so now we're going to work with the superimposing. We're going to work from left to right with the tools that are on the bottom, starting with the first tool on the left, which is the overlay. I recommend that we choose the normal overlay. All right, so you can adjust the opacity, but you really want that tattoo to be as bold as it can be. But you also want to see the image. So I'm going to kind of adjust mine right in the middle, check mark. All right, so now for the horizontal lines with dots, these affect the brightness of your image and the contrast, so you can just play with those. I'm going to get that tattoo nice and bright. All right, and check out of those. So that's more of a personal preference. The next is the paintbrush, and that is your masking tool. I'm going to tap the paintbrush, and I'm going to tap the eraser, and this is where I'm going to remove the overlay background. So tap the eraser tool. Whoops. And I can change the size of my eraser, so if you see that there is like a bullseye thingy, if you tap on it, it'll tell you how thin the eraser tool is. I want this to be big because I have large areas to erase. So I'm basically going to be erasing everything except for my tattoo. So you can erase big areas, and this brings your picture to life. Get those outskirts. Then as you get close to the tattoo area, that's when you can make your eraser point a little finer so you don't erase over it. All right, so you can see my picture is nice and clear. Now I'm going to change the point of my eraser so that I don't erase my tattoo. I'm not worried about the size of my tattoo. It's okay that it's oversized. The last part of this assignment is going to be using the arrangement tool to resize it and place it on the body part that we want. All right, almost done. Okay, and I'm doing this really fast, so there might be areas of white that I'm going to leave remaining, but I want you guys to make sure you erase everything. All right, so pretending that I did that, I'm going to hit the check mark, and then I'll go to the 4 arrows, and that is my arrangement tool. So that is where I can grab this tattoo and place it. You can see when you do that, there might be some residual white that you didn't erase, so I'm going to press the check mark, go back to the paintbrush. I'm on that eraser tool, and I can refine my erasing. You can see beautiful mom tattoo, love it. All right, check mark, and then we are done. So what you'll do at that point is you will hit the save button on the upper right hand corner. It's saving the project. Remember, you need to save it in the library, and so make sure that it's there. And it says saved in the library, so we are good. I'll give you directions in class for how I want you to post these assignments. Thanks.